Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're working on a Wix website and want your images to load faster, look clean, and keep your visitors engaged, then you're absolutely in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through a quick, effective way to optimize your images right inside Wix. By the end of the tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your website look professional and perform even better. No technical headaches required. Let's dive right in. First things first. Head over to your Wix web design dashboard. This is your main control center for all things on your website. You want to start here because it gives you access to all the tools and apps you'll need, including the image optimization tools we're about to use. If you're already logged in, you should see your site editor, which is where most of your creative work happens. It's like the cockpit of your website. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Now, glance up to the top of your Wix editor and locate the search bar. It's usually right in that main menu area, and you might have used it before when you were hunting for new apps or features. Click on that search icon, and you're ready for the next step. This search function is super useful when you want to find a specific app quickly, without scrolling through endless lists. You'll see just how much time it can save you. Next, type Image Optimizer into the search bar. You can just start typing and Wix will automatically begin showing you results. This is important because Wix has a whole marketplace full of third-party apps, and we want the one designed specifically to help your images look their best, without slowing down your site. So, as you type, don't worry about spelling it perfectly. Wix is pretty forgiving and smart about finding the right app for you. Once you see Image Optimizer Pro appear in the list, go ahead and click on it to select it. This app is popular among Wix users who want an easy solution for compressing and optimizing images, all without needing advanced design skills. Selecting it will show you more information about what it does, user ratings, and an Add to Site or Open button. Simply click on that button. If you've already used it before, you might see Open instead. Either way, just make sure you get into the app. Here's where things get a bit interactive. A pop-up should appear on your screen, asking you to paste the URL of your published web page. This step is crucial, so take a moment to copy the link to the Wix page you want to optimize. If you haven't published your site yet, just hit Publish first, so you have a proper link. Paste it into the space provided, and the app will then scan your site for images that can be optimized. Now, within the Image Optimizer Pro interface, you'll be able to review your images and choose which ones you want optimized. The tool will automatically handle the compression and cleaning process behind the scenes. This might take a few moments, especially if you have a lot of high-res photos, so be patient. You'll see your images get lighter and faster before your eyes. Optimizing images like this means your site will load quicker, especially on mobile devices, and your Google ranking could even improve slightly, since fast-loading sites get a boost. And just like that, you're done. It really is that straightforward. Your images are now optimized, helping your Wix site shine for every visitor. If you run into any hiccups, just double-check your URL or refresh the app. Sometimes it helps to troubleshoot calmly when tech feels fussy. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your own tips for Wix, drop a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. And hey, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Happy designing!